What's up, guys? We're back at you with another video, working on the Honda Fourtrax 96 300 4x4. And in this video we're going to be putting in a front disc conversion kit by SuperATV, and we're going to be throwing in some LED lights from Offroadtown. If you want to know the part number, it's upside down, figure it out. And the old carburetor works, but we ordered a new carb, so we're going to be putting the new carburetor on there and a new starter, both from Neutron. There's your part number. So the LED lights were kind of tight, but they do fit in there. If they just squeeze in. Don't have to drill no holes. These bolts with some large washers get her going. Put the front high lifter, I think it's a 1-inch lift kit, and there's your disc brakes already installed. They weren't too bad. We got the tires and rims on here. They are ITP Mega Mayhems. These are 28x9s. The ITP rims. They look really good on here. So in this video we'll be attacking the front end of the bike. Hit the like button, let me know what you guys think. So in order to get those headlights in there, we had to pull the front grille off and say goodbye to the ugly snorkel. It's
smoke stack wannabe thing, whatever it is.
Yeah, it's an intake, not an exhaust. You see them headlights going in there. So we're doing a little bit of body work, guys. There it is. See that? Stitches. So that rack had a little crack. So while I was cleaning up that rack to get it ready for welding, Trevor got the headlights all wired up.
Low beam setting only, that way I can take, if I wanted to put a light bar on the rack or something like that, switch the high beams on and have a light bar.
They look pretty bright, dude. So these are, what do you call them? Offroadtown. Turn night into day. That's where you got these from.
I think model and some numbers like that there.
There's all your specifications.
I believe they're a combo light, flood and spot.
We are done for tonight. I got that all welded up. And this guy had taken the drums off and switched his front wheels around, so we didn't even have the drum part of the brakes. And honestly, it's cheaper. I mean, you can see how rough these wheel cylinders are in. And to buy all new parts for the drums, it was just cheaper to buy the disc brake conversion kit. $4.12. You take those out, you want to break your brake line loose on the back here. And that brake line is also a 12. You don't have to. Now you're also going to have to unhook all your brake line holders, all the holders for it. And I'm sure everybody knows this trick. You just put a lug nut on there, get you a socket, a big sledge. Warning, this will hurt your ears. And then you can pop her out. So I'm just gonna do a little coat of Ospo. Your kit's gonna come with one of these beautiful things, which I thought about painting, but I think it'll be fine. And this part is gonna be going in towards the bike. You want to put that guy on there. It says that you don't need Loctite, but I'm using it on this part. So I was over on this other side, and I don't know what the heck happened here, but all these bolts are rounded off. Weld a big nut on top, and the heat should help break it loose. So hopefully you guys don't have that problem and it comes off as easy as that one did. Alright, check out how pretty that hub came out. Huh? I probably could have painted this too, but it'd be fine. So assembling the hubs, what you want to do is take your brake disc, I'm sure there's way easier ways to do this. I'm just doing this for filming purposes, so you know how it goes to from there. It goes like so, and this part goes on here, but turn it up on our side. That guy was flying. And then screws them in like so. And then these bolts will become your lugs. We have aluminum rims on this. Give them some luggas. That's how she goes together. Alright, make sure you clean this out real good. Check your bearings while you're in there. And fill her full of grease. And the funny thing is, right after that, you have to handle your brake disc. So make sure your hands are super clean. And install. The kit actually comes with a cotter pin. Kind of small. Alright, so now on to the caliber, and make sure your bleeder screw is facing up. So you know you're on the right side, and these bolts are a bit of a booger to get to. They're 1/2 inch. So before I go any further with this disc brake install, we are putting a 2-inch lift on here on the front and rear. It's a high lifter lift kit. I'm not going to be filming it. I'm just going to go ahead and install it. Installed, and the lift kit. But before I hook those lines up, I got a rebuild kit for the master cylinder. There's the part number if you ever need one. Got her completely tore apart. Hardest part is getting that E-clip off. You have to push the plunger down to where that little notch lines up. Also, as far as the brake lines go, we kind of just letting them hang down here. And that little bracket that they send you with the kit, we just extended this bracket out a little bit and clamped it on, so it's being held right there. It doesn't hurt nothing. It ain't getting hit by nothing. Here's the other bracket. How it's bolted in there. It'll be fine. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Next weekend, we'll get to the rear end. Going inside. This is a monster. Holy. That's a monster. That's a monster. He's every bit of pie. That's a big boy. Real big boy. No. No. Oh, he's getting mad. That's a big stick. I'll walk around in the woods. You don't want to get bit by that one.